I'm a broke college student, and I ordered a Tesla Cybertruck. Let me explain. First off, I'd like to point out that the Cybertruck starts out at $39,000, which is still an obscene amount of money, don't get me wrong. But the Model 3 also costs the same amount of money, which I'm also planning to buy here in a couple of years. The biggest reason why I want a Cybertruck is because no other automaker really makes a truly utilitarian vehicle. So the Cybertruck is supposedly indestructible.
Oh my God. Well,
but Cybertruck is made from this 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel, which is the same material that SpaceX uses in their rocket ships. Like, this material is insanely strong. In this material doesn't rust, it doesn't corrode, it doesn't dent or scratch very easily. It also doesn't have a coat of paint on it. Now, I live in a very snowy climate, and we have a lot of salt on the roads, and that is a big deal. Rust is a massive turnoff in a lot of cars today, and even the best pickup trucks rust after just a couple of years on the road. Now, combine that with its 16-inch clearance with the suspension, and this truck can go over anything. It's also waterproof, per Elon's tweets, and even Model X's and S's have driven through flooded out roads with no problem whatsoever. So this car can drive through anything, through rivers, over mountains, through blizzards. I bet it could even smash like and subscribe. Cybertruck is also electric, which provides a lot of really interesting opportunities with tapping into that battery. During the presentation, Tesla announced that this truck would have 110 and 220 volt plugs in the back of the truck, which means you could power almost anything off of the battery of this truck. My apartment, for example, only runs on about 10 kilowatt hours per day. This truck has a rumored 100 kilowatt hour battery. So that means that truck alone could power my entire living space, air conditioning and everything, for 10 days. That is mind-blowing. This ability turns Cybertruck into like a portable power wall that could power work sites, campsites. I'm a filmmaker and it could power a film set, an entire film set, instead of bringing in like a generator truck to run off of diesel. I also think Cybertruck has the ability to revolutionize disaster relief efforts because it can drive through anything and then power entire neighborhoods for hours or days on end. I'm also starting a film production company, which hauling gear is becoming an increasing need of mine, and a sedan just doesn't cut it. Its reliability has also really sparked my interest. A Model S just recently broke 1 million kilometers, which is 621,000 miles, without even a whole lot of maintenance. The same has been seen on Model X's and Model 3s across the board. Because of this, I really think that Cybertruck will be able to drive 500,000 miles, like a normal car can drive 200,000 miles. And with a little bit of TLC, I bet it could drive 1 million miles, which is unheard of for a gasoline car. On the note of unheard of for gasoline cars, Cybertruck has a 0 to 60 of 2.9 seconds, which according to Tesla is faster than the newest Porsche 911. Imagine taking the Cybertruck, a pickup truck, to a drag race and beating every single person there. That is absolutely mind-blowing. Now here's the kicker. By the time Cybertruck is released, Tesla will also have released their full self-driving capabilities for all of their cars, meaning Cybertruck could drive you from coast to coast without you ever even touching the steering wheel, which is absolutely, again, mind-blowing. With Tesla making electric cars this good, I don't think gas even makes sense anymore. So with Cybertruck's indestructible nature, its potential to drive 500,000 to 1 million miles, its ability to power work sites or campsites, film sets even, off of a single battery, and its ability to drive itself, no matter how ugly people may think it is, I think the Cybertruck makes too much sense not to buy. And that is precisely why I, as a broke college student, have put down $100 refundable dollars on the Cybertruck, and I hope to be driving one by the end of 2021. But I guess time will tell. My name is Troy Meekoff, and I will see you next time.